Kim's Kitchen, bringing you easy ways to grow, harvest, and prepare delicious foods from your own backyard.
Hey guys, welcome to Kim's Kitchen, and today I am cooking string beans that I harvested from my garden. I already have them in the Instapot, they're already cut. I added my onions, now I'm going to add my seasonings and go from there. So I've added some turkey, onion, seasoning, peppers, and that's what we have so far. Lots of onion. I'm big on onion. The seasoning I added was garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and celery salt, a few crushed red peppers, and salt. So I just added this whole container of Kendall Farm chicken broth, and I'm not going to really add any water because I believe that pressure from being in the Instapot is going to help create the steam and release some fluid from the string beans as well as the turkey broth. So I have everything in here already. Getting ready to put in the pressure cooker. We will add small little potatoes. Okay, so the green beans and the potatoes are in the pressure cooker, and it's going to cook for 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, we'll see what we got. I'll let you. Guys, I finished the string beans, and let me show you them. They look really, really good. Here we go. And my mini potatoes are scrumptious. Really good. Very tender. Flavorful. Okay, guys.
Genesis 1:11. And God said, let the earth sprout vegetation, plants yielding seeds, and fruit trees bearing fruit. Life is a garden, and we all must grow. Thanks for watching Kim's Kitchen.